In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube video on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your YouTube and find a video that you want to re-upload to TikTok. And once you find that video, hit there under the video on three dots icon and there hit on share. Now there tap on copy link, so you have just copied link to that video, and all you need to do next is open up your Safari browser and in search box enter save from net and hit search. Now click on the first link to go to en.savefrom.net, and there in enter the URL field you can hit once and paste their URL that you have just copied. Now you can hit on download to download this video to your device. Now go back for a step and there hit on download, and now you see that file is being downloaded on your device. And now I can find that video file in my files. I can open up files and there is that file. I can open up it and there hit on share button, and on that screen select save video to save that video to my phone's gallery. Now I can check that. Open up my photos. Here is that video, so now I can open up my TikTok, hit the plus icon and there hit on upload and select that video and hit next. Now I can continue creating that video as I normally do on TikTok. I can add there some description, some filters, some voiceovers if I want, and then hit next and share that post to my TikTok feed. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.